Hello, we have another question here, and the question says Katana employed 4 men to weed his farm in 18 days. Determine the number of men Katana will need to weed the farm in 8 days. Now, I like writing this in ratio form and also calculating it in a ratio manner. So first, we understand that Katana employed 4 men to weed his farm in 18 days. So I'll come here and write that there are men that are required to weed a farm in a certain number of days. So 4 men can weed this farm in 18 days. 4 men can weed this farm in 18 days. Now, determine the number of men. So in this case, we want to know the number of men that will be needed to weed this farm in 8 days. So if 4 men can take 18 days, how many men can take 8 days? So in this case, I'll form a ratio with this 18 and 8. So a ratio of 18 and 8 would be 18 is to 8. And I know that the number of men, if the number of days decrease, the number of men need to increase. And for you to not get confused, just say if it is 18 days that 4 men are taking 18 days, and you want to know the number of men that will take 8 days, it is just going to be directly 18 is to 8. Then after understanding that, I can comfortably come here and say if I want to know the value of this, I'll not cross multiply. I'll just take the number of men multiplied by the ratio. So the number of men is 4 multiplied by the ratio, which is 18 is to 8. And we all know that ratio means division. So this is the same as 18 divided by 8. So it is 4 times 18 over 8. So if I multiply this, it is going to be by 4 1, by 4 2, by 2 1, by 2 9. So the number of men that will weed this farm in 8 days is 9 men. And that is how you calculate and get your 3 marks. Okay, there are so many ways you can do this, but this is the easiest way of doing this. Just say Katana employed 4 men to weed his farm in 18 days. Write the number of men and in contrast with the number of days. Then if you want to know the number of men that can take a particular number of days, form a ratio. Okay, after forming a ratio, just multiply direct that number of men with that ratio, which is 4 times 18 over 8, and you'll get the number of men as 8. And that is the answer.